Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can latch and latch program make in the Siemens PLC S7-200. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our Microsoft software, and after opening this software, we will make a new project. Here you can make this one new. After this window will be appear, make it here new, and this goes to the first. Cancel this all, and again we will open our Microsoft software and create a new project. And here go to the main program block, and in main OB, this is the main function, and this is our PLC, and which is already selected in the with the PC. And we will just click first upload. Here also we can make the communication settings, and also here you can see this picture. Here also you can make the communication settings. We just first have to make the communication with your PLC and PLC to PC. After you can write something and download to the PLC. So now just we click this at the upload. Now we have to wait for seconds, because of this is the automatically generating this communication settings, and after it will be make that. Now it's telling PPI connection is ready. Use the options button to select blocks to upload. He says which you like to be download or upload. This click on just upload, and after which program is in the PLC, that will be backed up. See, here is only just 2 bits have we download already. That's are now shown. If this program like to be make simulation, you can just only click it here and your program will be simulate. See, it's running, and now our Q0.0 is now on. And if we like to make it new program, so we will stop this monitoring, and here we will delete this all program, and here in network we will create the new program. And here also we can give the commits. For example, I like to give this in program latch on latch program. And here first of all we will take the bit. You can select it from here. This is the all functions are now showing inside, but which you want to select this one, click it on this one, and this will be placed in the ladder. And next you need this coil. For example, this coil, when you select this coil also will become, and this have to be give address. That address how can give Q0.0. In other PLCs represented this output addresses are Y0, Y1, Y2, but in that Siemens PLC represent the output coil Q0.0, start from Q0.0, and that input starts from I0.0. Because of this, other PLCs are represented like X0 and look like yani X0, but this is the I0.0. If you have a physical PLC and you have a hardware ready for to push this give the signal at I0.0, it's okay. Otherwise you have can be give the internal memory address. For example, M0.0 I will give and click enter. And this here you have to be making some branch downside for latching the program. So first of all we have to be little make front this one, and after here we will make the latch program. Here another, I will take the bit open contact of the Q0.0. Q0.0 when we take, sorry, this we have to be select this one first, and after we will write this branch also. You can make it here upside. Here this will be connected automatically, and here you can write this Q0.0 open contact of the output, and here you can give the close contact of your output. For example, I take M0.1. Any address you can choose, but I choose this one, M0.0. Now our latch and latch program is ready. Now this program we will download to the PLC and click on download, and he asking for put you in stop mode, and after program will be download. Our program is now successfully downloaded to the PLC, and now we will monitor this program. Click on this button. Here you can see this is also have a showing downside this program status, means program is how running each condition online or offline. Now monitoring is ready, and here you can make this right condition. Just address M00 and value is what he is asking for on or off. When you write it on the on, your Q0.0 will be on, and this is hold. If you again write it off, but your output will be not stop. Can see your output is now ready on, but input not have because of this Q0.0 open contact using for the hold. Now if you like to be stop this Q0.0, you have to be give signal at the address M0.1. Just click it on the right after your PLC will be your output will be off. But again you have to be write this one in original condition, make it off this M0.0. So this way you can make this latch program any output Q0.0 or Q0.1, 2, 3, which you like to be make it latch program, and this you can be make it start button, this is stop button, and this you don't need to be any address killing. This is you can physically hardware, and also you can put it the I0.0 and I0.2, which is hardware selected URB, that will be work properly. So again one time I will make this one on, and you can see this now Q0.0 is on. So I hope guys you will be understand about this latch and latch program, how we can design in the S7-200 PLC. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.